Hello everybody and welcome back to our YouTube page for clean oil filtrations, educational training on lubricants and coolants. In today's video we'll be talking about 6 ways of proper handling of lubricants and maintaining them within your plant. Point number 1, storage. As you know, storage of your lubricants is very important. The moment the lubricant comes into your plant, that is where the first steps start to maintain your oil. So how you receive and take the oil in and store them in barrels is very important. We recommend you label your barrels depending on the type of oil it is, whether it's hydraulic, gear or transmission oil. Also, when oil comes into the plant, that is when it is first your property, so we recommend filtering it before putting it into barrels. So when you store it, it is completely filtered to the required level. Also, storage of barrels is very important. Try storing the barrel laying down on the floor against it being vertically up, so the barrel is continuously moving and oil does not stay stagnant. Also, we recommend the first in first out movement. The oil that comes in first to the plant should be used first into the machine. Point number 2, regular testing. There are many ways to regular test your lubricants in your machinery. There is NAS testing, ISO, water checking through crackling test. So these are different ways of testing your lubricants. We recommend you regularly test your oil to know the current condition of the oil. This can be done through different ways of using particle counters or simple crackling tests or old methods such as patch testing. Point number 3, we recommend you that you check your machinery at all points of time. Check whether your machines have any leakages, any tanks are open, and also any air breathers which are in your machines, because air breathers are a very common point for contamination to come in and go out. Also, if your tanks are open, there's a possibility of a lot of moisture coming in and contamination. So check your machines for any leakages. If any leakage of water is coming into your oil or in your tanks. Dispensing. Dispensing of your oil is very important. आपका जो equipment है, जो आप oil को barrel से लेकर machine में डाल रहे हैं, it is very important to check the dispensing equipment is clean and it is used to complete standards, because if the oil being transferred from your barrels to your machine is not clean, there is a huge possibility of contamination in the transfer process. Point number 5, filtration. Filtration is the most important way to maintain your lubricants in your oils. Filtering your oil will make sure that it is set to this certain ISO level and will ensure complete clean fluids running through your machine. This will make sure that no pumps are damaged, valves don't get damaged, and seals do not get cut. Also, if your oil is clean, your machine's efficiency is improved and the energy consumption is reduced a lot. We will recommend depth filtration through filter cartridges, like our clean oil filters. This makes sure that complete moisture and contamination is removed through the same process. This is the machine, which is a mobile machine which can be used to filter all your oils, whether they are kept in barrels or in tanks. Point number 6, and the most important point, ensuring your maintenance teams are always up to date with the complete condition of your oil. Regular meetings and Excel documents will make sure that you know how your oil is kept, what oil levels there are, and also when the last testing was done. When they were tested, what levels of contamination they were at, whether it's ISO, NAS, or how much moisture was there at your last. Regularly checking how your oil is doing is very important in maintaining and saving costs for you. So thank you once again for coming on our YouTube page. This is a simple 6 methods on how to maintain and keep your oils clean. If you run this, you will save large amounts of costs for your company. At the same time, will ensure that all your machines are running in optimal conditions with complete energy efficiency.